Hello guys, in this one I'm showing you how to connect Supabase with Render. So navigate to the project settings icon in the bottom of your sidebar and click into the database tab. So right here on the left, go here. And in there you need to look for the connection string, ensure that node.js or URI tab is selected and copy that entire string. Then you go to the API tab in that same settings menu. You can find it right here. So go to your profile, not a profile, to your project, then settings, and then API keys. You will need to copy both project URL and your add-on public key. I'll keep these strings ready in a temporary notepad. These are the primary keys that will authorize Render to communicate with your database engine. And then guys, you just add your environmental variable. You need to create 3 distinct keys to match your application's configuration. So there's going to be the database /URL and paste the connection URI you just copied. Then add Supabase URL and Supabase add-on key using the API credentials we just pulled, and then click Save Changes. Render will automatically trigger a fresh redeploy of your service, injecting these secure credentials directly into your runtime without exposing them in your raw source code. And once the deployment status stands green, your application now perform real-time database queries. So that is it. Hit subscribe if this was helpful. Make sure to like and subscribe. And I'll see you in the next one.